kids, welcome to my channel Kids Bits. Today we are going to do an art with pista shells. The things we need are A4 sheet or chart paper, paintbrush, glue and pista shells. How to get pista shell is to eat the inside and take out the shells for the art. Let's get started. You can draw any scenery which you like on the paper. I have drawn an beach scenery. We are going to paste all the pista shells inside the border of the objects on the paper. The beach shore is completed and the coconut trees are completed. Now I am doing the sea. Now it's time for the boat. I have some space here, so I am going to add an sun. Allow the glue to dry for some time. Now we need to paint the craft. I am going to paint the beach shore with yellow orch color. I am going to paint the coconut tree trunk with brown color. I am going to paint the coconut tree leaves with green color. I am going to paint the sun with orange color. Now I am going to paint the ship with brown and red color. going to paint the sea with blue color. Since the orange is lighter in the sun, I am going to add yellow. Tada! Our pistachio scenery is ready. Bye kids. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.